Nepal, a land steeped in history, where ancient civilizations thrived. In this journey through time, we begin by unraveling the tapestry of Nepal's ancient past. Imagine the early dawn of civilization, where kingdoms rose and fell, leaving behind a rich cultural legacy. Our story starts in the fertile plains of Lumbini, the birthplace of Buddha, an enduring symbol of peace and enlightenment. Here, ancient landmarks stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. As we explore these historical roots, we uncover the foundations of Nepal's early societies. These were vibrant communities, shaped by the confluence of diverse cultures and traditions. They laid the groundwork for the intricate cultural mosaic that Nepal is known for today. With each step back in time, we are reminded of the ingenuity and resilience that defined these early peoples. Their stories are etched into the very fabric of Nepal's identity, offering us a glimpse into a world where nature and culture coexisted in harmony. Join us as we delve deeper into this remarkable history, setting the stage for the cultural blossoming that awaited in medieval Nepal. This is just the beginning of our journey through the majestic land of Nepal. In the heart of medieval times, Nepal emerged as a beacon of cultural and architectural brilliance. It was an era when the Kathmandu Valley became a canvas of breathtaking artistry. Here, the rise of majestic temples and intricate carvings told stories of devotion and creativity. The medieval period marked a time of flourishing, where art and architecture reached new heights, painting the landscape with structures that still captivate the world today. These architectural wonders stand as a testament to Nepal's unique cultural identity, a harmonious blend of tradition and innovation. The Kathmandu Valley, with its pagodas and stupas, is a living gallery of this vibrant past, inviting us to marvel at the genius of its creators. As we explore these cultural treasures, we witness not only the grandeur of the past, but also the enduring spirit that has shaped Nepal into the nation it is today. Our journey through medieval Nepal is more than a step back in time. It's a celebration of the timeless beauty that defines this land. Next, we venture into the breathtaking natural landscapes that cradle these historical gems, exploring how nature and culture intertwine in this majestic land. Nepal's landscapes are as diverse as they are breathtaking, offering a mesmerizing tapestry of natural beauty. From the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the lush green valleys below, each view is a masterpiece sculpted by time. These majestic mountains, including the iconic Mount Everest, stand as sentinels of the sky, drawing adventurers and dreamers from every corner of the globe. But beyond their grandeur, these landscapes hold deep cultural significance. In Nepal, nature and culture are intertwined like the threads of an intricate tapestry. The Himalayas are not just mountains, they are revered as sacred guardians in local traditions. Meanwhile, the national parks serve as sanctuaries for both wildlife and spiritual reflection. Here, in the heart of Asia, nature isn't merely a backdrop to life. It is a vibrant participant in cultural practices. Festivals and rituals often take place amidst these stunning vistas. As we continue our journey through Nepal, let's delve into how these awe-inspiring landscapes not only define the country's physical beauty, but also enrich its cultural legacy. Join us in exploring how modern Nepal harmonizes with its natural majesty in our next segment. In today's Nepal, an intriguing dance unfolds between the ancient and the new. It's a nation where tradition meets modernity, harmoniously coexisting within its vibrant cultural tapestry. Here, modern cultural practices thrive alongside time-honored customs, striking the perfect balance. Imagine bustling festivals where traditional music mingles with contemporary beats, and ancient rituals are performed amidst innovative artistic expressions. Nepal stands as a testament to how history and progress can beautifully intertwine. It showcases cultural festivals that celebrate both the past and the present, while innovations echo through its bustling cities and serene villages alike. This unique blend is not only captivating, but also a source of inspiration. As we continue our journey, let us delve deeper into how this balance has been achieved. Witness the colourful festivals that light up the streets. Join us in exploring this harmonious blend of tradition and progress, as we reveal how Nepal navigates the path to modernity without losing its soul. Stay with us as we move forward to uncover even more about this remarkable land's timeless beauty. As our journey through Nepal draws to a close, we pause to reflect on its enduring beauty. This land, with its majestic peaks and vibrant cultures, holds a timeless allure that captivates the soul. From ancient civilizations to modern-day marvels, Nepal's story is one of resilience and inspiration. We invite you to delve deeper into this enchanting realm. Explore the valleys where history whispers through the winds, and the mountains stand as eternal sentinels of time. Discover the rich tapestry of cultures that continue to thrive in harmony with nature. Nepal's future is as bright as its past is profound. With each step, new stories are written and new horizons are explored. As you embark on your own journey, let Nepal's spirit of perseverance and beauty inspire your path. The wonders of Nepal await, promising adventure and discovery at every turn. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Nepal's timeless beauty. We hope it has sparked a desire to experience firsthand the magic of this extraordinary land. Until we meet again, may the spirit of Nepal's landscapes and culture stay with you, guiding you towards your own discovery.